Is it time to buy or sell Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust stock? In this video, we will explore Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024. And now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since September 5th, 2024, our system has classified Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.48. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showcasing a remarkable gain of 78.02% since we initially recommended purchasing Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust just 4 days ago. This equates to an average return of 19.5% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of negative 26.69% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 100% to positive 52.09%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 31.17% change over the next year, with a possible return between negative 80.29% and positive 263.40%. This equates to a price range of $1.45 to $26.78 after a year. Our latest daily update for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust features the headline, Significant Movements in Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust Stock Price on Tuesday, fluctuating 34.69% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, the stock price of Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust increased by 10.83%, rising from $6.65 to $7.37. During that trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 34.69%, reaching a low of $7.35 and a high of $9.90. Although the price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains up by 256.04% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, marking a positive technical indicator, with 19 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 28 million shares changed hands for an approximate value of $206,080,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price reached $29.90, while the lowest was 11.5 cents. Currently, the price stands 75.35%, or $22.53, below the 52-week high of $29.90, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust, or WHLR, could significantly influence its stock price in both the short and long term. On the 4th of September, 2024, the Fourth Circuit Court affirmed the dismissal of a class action lawsuit against WHLR. This ruling removes a layer of uncertainty and potential liability, which should bolster investor confidence and may lead to a positive response in WHLR's share price. Additionally, commentary in the market highlights WHLR as one of the more oversold stocks in the real estate sector. Analysts suggest this creates a compelling buying opportunity for value-oriented investors. Such sentiment could drive interest from institutional buyers, further supporting price increases. In August, WHLR released its second quarter 2024 financial results, providing transparency to investors about its operational health. Regular financial updates are crucial for maintaining investor trust, especially in the context of a competitive real estate market, which has shown mixed performance recently. These factors combined create a foundation for potential upward momentum in WHLR shares. In the short term, the dismissal of the lawsuit and favorable market sentiment could stimulate trading activity and price appreciation. Long term, sustained focus on financial performance and strategic positioning will be vital as WHLR navigates challenges in the evolving real estate landscape. Investors will be keenly monitoring these developments as they unfold. Analysts have assigned Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio also as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust. The stock of Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at $4.52 and $4.02. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 3, 2024, and thus far it has decreased by 62.22%. Continued decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 48 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 81 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.65. With no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below this support may result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.55 between its high and low, representing a 34.69% change. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 144.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Established companies can also encounter downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could lead to potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 5th of November, 2024. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust is at $7.88. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a significant level to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust faces its first support level at $6.65. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of August, 2024, Joseph Stilwell conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of 7% subordinated convertible notes due in 2031. On the 23rd of August, 2024, Joseph Stilwell conducted another insider purchase of 0 shares of 7% subordinated convertible notes due in 2031. On the 8th of August, 2024, Rebecca Musser conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 1st of July, 2024, Joseph Stilwell purchased 64,867 shares of Series D cumulative convertible preferred stock. On the same day, Joseph Stilwell also purchased 14,619 shares of Series D cumulative convertible preferred stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 94.388. In total, insiders acquired 35,811,034 shares, while selling 744,244 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.95, reflecting a decrease of 5.68%. This stock experiences significantly high daily fluctuations, which contributes to its elevated risk. Currently, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 63 days ago. Is Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust stock a good buy? Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a recommendation to purchase. At this time, it is advisable to view the stock as a hold or accumulate position while waiting for further developments. After assessing the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of September, we anticipate Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust will open at 84 cents and begin trading at $8.21. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.